Go Green team and all my friends. How are you guys today? I'm Kris Shaffer from Michigan. I'm a sales leader and I'm doing the product demo for this month. And I thought it would be fitting to showcase one of our new products, which is the toilet brush. It is a very nice design. I am very excited about this. I have not used this yet, so I get to use it for the first time with you guys. It comes in a little stand, and I gotta tell you, this is plastic, but it's very sturdy. I have dropped mine about 12 times on my tile floor, and it has not cracked, so good deal there. The brush is very nice. It has the bristles and the silicone rubber brush, rubber bristles, I guess we'd call it. It holds in the handle our bathroom cleaner. You unscrew the top like this to open it. And this is our bathroom cleaner. It will hold 2 ounces of bathroom cleaner, and which is actually a sample, the size of our sample size. So I think it would be a very good idea if somebody purchased this, if one of your guests purchased this, you could say you're gonna throw in a sample size of the bathroom cleaner for them. I think that would be a very nice combination. So that is that, and then you can, so it's full there, you can see that it's full, and in order to dispense it, you can push the top. Okay, there it goes. It just squirted in my hand, see? So you push the top, or you can push this right here, and it dispenses 1 squirt. Okay, just got that on the floor. So how nice is it that we can use our products on our skin and not worry about it, because we wouldn't do that with the other bathroom cleaners on the shelves. Okay, so you just release one. I'm going to do this. Release 1 squirt and you run it around. Oh, this is nice. It's nice and stiff. I like it. Okay. And that's it. When you're done, you return it back to your container. Now, this is our other toilet bowl brush. I do have, you know, don't discount this one. I really like this one. It has a holder. I have one of these in each bathroom. Might be replacing them all with this one now. But it lifts it up so that it's not sitting in its water. And it also has the little bristle for under the toilet bowl rim. So 2 options, very nice, love them both, but this is the new one. Just use it for the first time. Really like it. And just a reminder, whenever you're cleaning, the toilet brush is never the microphone. Okay? Good job. Thanks, guys.